Hello people, welcome back to BL Animation Studios.
Today we are going to see a superb topic. We're diving into what rendering is in After Effects and how to render your projects in detail. First, let's understand what rendering means. In After Effects, we animate our compositions, right? But we can't directly share the After Effects project file on social media or send it to clients through email or WhatsApp. To share or preview our work, we need to convert that project into a video format, and this process is called rendering. Now, let's see how to render in After Effects. I'll be showing you using a demo file. First, open your composition. Then go to the composition menu and select Add to Render Queue, or simply use the shortcut. Once you do that, the Render Queue panel will appear. Usually at the bottom where the timeline is, you will see your composition added to the queue. That means it's ready to render. Here's an important part. Click on Output module. By default, it's set to lossless. Once you click, a dialog box will appear with several format options. Choose the one you need. I'm selecting H.264 for now. No need to change other settings, just click OK. Next, click on Output to choose the location to save your file. Confirm the location and hit the Render button. You will see a progress bar. Once it completes, your video is rendered. Now, our After Effects file is converted into a video file. You can find plenty of video compression websites online. These tools help you reduce the file size of your videos quickly and easily. It's especially useful when you want to send a preview to your client. By compressing the video, you can lower the quality just enough for review, making it faster to upload, share, and download. Now let's see how to render videos with transparent backgrounds. Just like PNG images don't have backgrounds, we can create videos without a background too. I've already animated a polygon for this demo. Before rendering, check if your composition has any background. Click the transparency grid icon to see if you see grid boxes. That means it's transparent. Now add your composition to the render queue. In the Output module, select QuickTime. And under Channels, choose RGB plus Alpha. Click OK. Set your output location. And render. Once done, import the file into After Effects to test. You will see it's a video with the transparent background. So far in the series, we've seen what is After Effects, how to work in After Effects and what options are available, what important layers are there, what panels we use, and today, how to render effectively. I hope you've gained some solid knowledge about After Effects. In our next videos, we'll begin working on small projects and learn how to develop them step by step. If you haven't watched the earlier videos, do check them out on our channel. It will help you follow along smoothly. If you learned something new today, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for updates. Until then, it's BL signing off.